In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word has stopped working or not opening in Windows PC. This problem can be frustrating, especially when you need to finish important work. But the good news is that there are several simple solutions you can try to get Microsoft Word running again. Start by restarting your computer. It may seem basic, but a restart clears temporary system glitches that can stop programs from launching correctly. After your computer turns back on, try opening Microsoft Word again to see if the issue has been resolved. If Word still does not open, try launching it in Safe Mode. Safe Mode starts Word without add-ins, which are extra tools that sometimes cause crashes. Press the Windows key and the letter R together, type WinWord/safe, then press Enter. If Word opens normally, the problem is likely one of the add-ins. Go to the File menu, choose Options, open the Add-ins section, disable them, and restart Word to identify the one causing trouble. Sometimes Word will not open because updates are outdated. If Word opens, go to File, then Account, choose Update Options, and click Update Now. Installing updates helps fix bugs and improves program stability. It is also a good idea to scan your computer for viruses or malware. Harmful software can interfere with applications and prevent them from running correctly. Use Windows Defender or your antivirus program to run a full system scan and remove any threats that appear. If none of these methods solve the issue, uninstall Microsoft Office from Programs and Features, restart your computer, and reinstall it using your Office installer. A fresh installation can fix deeper problems that repairs cannot. By carefully trying these steps, you can usually fix Microsoft Word and get back to your work without stress. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.